Amplifying winning stories. Meet our 2024 entry test topper.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Mursaleen and I am from KIPS Wabdatown Even campus. I achieved second position in FAST entry test 2024 by scoring 90.32% marks in the entry test, and I plan to become a software engineer in future.
What shortcomings did you encounter in your academic journey before joining KIPS? And how did KIPS entry test preparation help you address those challenges?
Before joining KIPS, I faced difficulty in understanding complex problems and time management, but KIPS provided study material and regular tests which helped me to improve my overall performance.
How KIPS entry test preparation help you to top FAST exam, which is widely considered as one of the most difficult entrance test exams?
By attending the regular lectures, solving past papers and mock tests at KIPS, I cleared my concepts which helped me to ace the FAST entry test.
With so many other options around, what made you choose KIPS entry tests? And how did KIPS contribute to your success?
I chose KIPS for its structured approach and expert guidance which provided clarity and directions and helped me in achieving my career goals.
How did the KIPS entry tests career prep session influence your career path and pave way to your success? Do you think that career prep session was a smart and effective solution for engineering and computer science entry tests preparation?
KIPS provided a roadmap and helped me in overcoming the challenges and difficulties I faced throughout the preparation for entrance exams, which led to my success.
KIPS Publications provides supplementary study material. How beneficial these prep and practice books remained in your preparations?
The study material provided by KIPS was highly beneficial. By practicing the MCQs provided by KIPS, I cleared my concepts and achieved high marks.
During entry tests' high-pressure environment, can you recall a specific moment where KIPS pressure management methods and techniques helped you reduce your stress and boost your confidence?
KIPS taught me to remain calm and manage time effectively during the high-pressure environment of entry test, which boosted my confidence and led to my success.
What are the key differences between FSC preparations and entry test preparations?
FSC focuses on theoretical knowledge, while entry test requires conceptual knowledge, time management, and problem-solving skills.
After attempting thousands of MCQs in real time at KIPS, did you experience as you were just at KIPS entry tests classroom during your entrance test?
After attempting thousands of questions at KIPS, I felt as if I were present at KIPS entry test classroom during my entrance exam, which helped me in overcoming anxiety and pressure.
How was your experience with KIPS online study system, and which specific features of KIPS LMS and KIPS Online in general help you to prepare virtually?
KIPS provided an interactive and user-friendly online study system containing a question bank and detailed explanation of every complex topic in which I faced difficulty.
If someone you know asks for your recommendation on entry test prep program, why would you suggest KIPS entry test preparation? How would you explain its potential benefits to them?
I would highly recommend KIPS entry test preparations for its expert faculty and teaching methodology, which guides students towards a bright future.
How do you see KIPS entry tests adjusting to changing trends and new challenges in entry tests every year, while keeping up with defined quality and deliverance standards? How does this flexibility enhance your learning journey and exam readiness?
KIPS provides a well-structured curriculum, proper guidance, and career counseling to its students, which helps them to achieve their future goals.
KIPS entry test preparation. Win your dreams.